Beautiful babes, welcome in. Check out the new schedule for Sugar Fingers. Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sunday 2 p.m., Wednesday 4 p.m., and Thursday at 3 p.m. Hey, beautiful babes. Listen, it's been a minute. We're going to do some nails today, but these are the special nails that I have today. The Kiss Masterpiece on the go. This is a Luxe Mani set. If I can get it to focus, y'all know it has so much bling on it, you can hardly see it. It's a one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani. I know y'all thought I had done those nails myself, but guess what? Kiss did it for us right here. We'll talk about this set in just a minute. Right now, let me get to fixing these nails up. Listen, I am on my nail growth journey, so I'm not doing major nail enhancements on my nails anymore. I am trimming them down, making sure I get them back healthy. So I just snipped them again earlier, and now I'm just taking an alcohol wipe, cleansing them off so that I can apply these nails. Y'all, I'm super excited about these nails because these have got to get me throughout Christmas. So this is it today. Now I will be taking a paper towel and just kind of wiping away the wetness of that alcohol. I know it dries fast, but that's okay. But listen, today, y'all, we're going to do a little bit of something new that I have not used on this channel. And this is the EC Basket nail glue for acrylic nails. It's a brush-on nail glue. What I generally do, I always use like a base coat before I put on my press-on nails. This is a nail glue for press-on nails, a base coat, and also it can be used as a slip solution for poly nail gels. So check it out on Amazon. The link is below for you. So I'm just going to use it on my nails as my base before I put on the glue and my press-on nails. And this one is, of course, pretty much like a gel polish. So you do have to cure it under a UV or LED lamp. That is what I'm doing right now. So again, this is just the process I take. Let's go ahead and finish that up, and I'll be talking to you in a second. All right, now we're finished with the application of that base, the EC Basket. Again, check out that glue. It's a glue base. It's a multifunctional type of deal, so it's really interesting, and I love using that on my nails. We've gotten that finished, so we're going to go ahead. I'm wiping it down with the alcohol right now, moving the lamp out of the way. It's time to pick and choose these nails, girls, so let's get to it. And so back to the nails. These are the Kiss Masterpiece Soul in the Luxury one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani. press-on nails, the most luxurious, one-of-a-kind artificial nails that take only minutes to apply. This is what I'm loving right now. They are beautiful, featuring a premium special effects design. Just simply glue them on and wear them up to what I say more than a week. Okay, this is more than a week for me. When I put this on, this is gonna stay usually 2 weeks for me, honestly speaking. If one pops off, I just put it right back on. These are long lasting nails here, and they don't wear down quickly. You know, I do a lot of things with my hands. If you follow me on my other channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel, I'm always mixing and doing things with my face and doing scrubs. I do a little cooking, I do a little everything. But this intricate jewel nail art in an instant is amazing. The kit contains 30 nails, including 12 accent nails. You get the pink gel glue, and you also get a manicure stick and a mini file. Y'all, everything that you need all in one. Let me just show you how easily it is to apply these nails. Watch and wonder, like, wow, I wonder how it would be to have these nails on this holiday season. You can do this. And I actually thought I could find these on my favorite place to shop, which is Amazon, but I do have the Kiss USA site down below. I have an affiliate link that I'm going to put there. If I find any discount codes that you all can use, I will definitely place that on the screen here, or either look in the description box. The description box has so much good information right there. Now y'all, this manicure that you're getting ready to do right here costs you less than $12. Okay, I mean, this is $11.99. That's what it is, $11.99. And y'all, you can't beat that. Honey, go ahead if you want to go to that nail salon and give that woman all your money. Not me. Not gonna happen here. No. No. This is what I'm gonna do today. Let's check it out. I'm going to select my sizes, and I'll show you how easily it is to just pop these on and be done. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said something to me like what nail salon I go to get my nails done. Y'all, kiss me doing it up. These nails are the bomb.com, if that is a saying anymore. Listen, I cannot even think of how much this manicure would cost if I went to a nail salon. I'm not going to pay it anyway, okay? I'm just telling you, that is facts. Let me just really act like I'm at a nail salon. I'm going to put on my Cuccio nail oil, yes, cuticle oil, and finish this off the right way. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. The link is below for this Cuccio oil along with the nails. In fact, you can check the description box out for all goodies that you may have seen in this video. It's a win-win for me, beautiful babes, and it's a wrap. This is it, beautiful babes. It don't get no better than this, and if it does, I'm not paying the price. One more thing off the checklist. Nails are done simple and easy with this one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani from Kiss. Majestic nails. All that you need, honey, is right in this box that I showed you at the beginning of this video. You have everything that you need for under, I would say, combine everything that I used in this video today, less than $25. You can't beat that. And then you have items that you can use again. You don't have to worry about it. I imagine this nail manicure would cost you upwards of $100 or maybe more. Putting on all the rhinestones, you can't beat it. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now, but I'll be back to you right here on Sugar Fingers. So in the meantime and in between time, you keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Toodles.